I'm back. I'm just gonna wrap it up because you already know what I'm gonna do next. Anyway, you already know the thing that I'm doing. So I should take it off the table. There we go. So I'm just gonna put it in this jar. So I've got like these jars, cheesecake jars. Leave me alone. I thought they were cute. So that's the green one. It used to be green. Now it's changed into this beautiful. I'm trying to get it off my hands. Brown. Yay. And I need a smaller jar. A smaller jar. Spread it out. They'll believe that it's still slime. They'll believe that it's still big slime, won't they? Or will they? Yeah, anyway, that's that, people. So, we made this one. Well, you didn't make it with me, so haha. So, I'm going to show you it out. And take it out. Oh, these days. And it's this. Here's the two jars. Okay, so it's that. And it stretches. I'm going to do a video with these two slimes. It's just going to be like what you can do with slime. Okay, so bye for now, guys. Hope you like it. Bye. Sorry, but bye. Remember to subscribe and like and hit the ding bell. That gives you notifications when I'm doing a new video. Okay, so bye. Oh yeah, put a comment and like, or put a thumbs down if you didn't like it. But hey ho, at least I tried. Bye. Bye. Peace out.